It's wallpaper day! I am so excited for today. I've been waiting 3 weeks to go ahead and redo my guest bedroom. I am so scared because I've never done wallpaper like this. I've never done a big project like this. I usually do small things like, I don't know, decorate. I am in collab with Loomwell, and they're the one who provided me with the wallpaper to go ahead and do the bedroom. So I want to give a big thank you to them. I did receive the wallpaper yesterday. I did go ahead and unbox it, but I haven't opened the wallpaper. So let's see how that looks. What if I don't like it? She's here! Look how pretty. She's gorgeous. Look! I have a goal to finish all this by 7 o'clock because tonight is the semi-finales for Dancing with the Stars. So I'm going to stop yapping and start working. Let's go! Say hi! What you doing? What are you doing? What do you want to tell the people? Say I love you. Yeah. I'm
on the roof, you in your airplane seat. I was nose bleeding, looking for life out there. Reading your horoscope, you were just doing cocaine. In my kitchen, you never listen. I hope you're missing me by now. If I was a bluebird, I would fly to you. You'd be the spoon.
Okay, so it looks like there it's paired by A, B, A, B, A, B. So the ones I have in my hand right now, it's all A's. And the ones on the floor right there are B. So it's like the alphabet you go in order just to match them up against the wall. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this out on the bed and start working. Guys, I'm actually looking at the wallpaper and I'm absolutely obsessed with it, but I don't think I measured my walls right. Like, they look like they're, it looks like I made an oopsie. So, the oopsie was correct. I then went ahead and measured again, and I'm left with 2 options. Option 1, maybe I do decide to have an accent wall and put the wallpaper with this wall, the ones you don't see, and paint this wall, that wall, and this wall. Option 2, I can make this my little boy's room. I've been trying to put his room in this room because it's blue, and I don't know, I feel like it would look good, but all his stuff in this room is the biggest room in my home. So I'm gonna think on it, and I'll let you know. So this is a little duck I put on the wall. This is currently in his room now. I wanted to see how that will look on a blue wall, and I'm actually kind of liking it. Like, it looks good. I think it'll make the blue pop. Absolutely love it. Yeah, so I think that's maybe the idea I'm going for, putting his room in the guest room. I have to be quiet because he's sleeping in there. But this is his room now. So this is his room. I'm whispering because he is sleeping. And I just feel like I can go ahead and get away with his room in the blue room because, I don't know, I just think I can. Yeah. So welcome to this video, guys. It's me redoing my boy's nursery room makeover. Next video. Hope you guys like it.
It was dark, street lights through the shadows through the park. I was late.
Okay, so I went ahead and put his dresser in here, and I think it already looks so good. Now you may be asking, why did she skip the whole section on the wall? I am gonna put his 2 curtains on each side, which is gonna like take away from the duck. So I'm trying to make sure I actually have enough ducks to cover this wall. So that's why I'm kind of like skipping spaces just to see.
You were still
Are you
a little bit taller than I expected. I was sure I lost my cool with
You like your new room? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Push.
You were mad. I gave you every excuse that I had.
You guys, I absolutely love this rug. It's an indoor-outdoor rug, so it's like if a baby spills on it or I have like a wet diaper and you accidentally leak on the rug, you can easily clean it. It's so perfect. I'm absolutely obsessed with this rug. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the center of the room just to give that like open space look. He is a toddler, so I want to have more play area so he can take his toys out of the living room and stay in his nursery. So that's the plan, and that's what I think I'm kind of gonna do.
Let's rewind. Oh, how I
What are you doing? What are you doing?
through alleyways from many caves to next
You playing? So I decided to make this area a bookshelf because Autumn has tons of books. For his baby shower, I made everyone buy books. Well, I didn't make, I requested everyone buy books for him because I really, really want him to enjoy book reading and get into his education and expand his grammar. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set all these books here. And I don't think he's tall enough to reach this, but he is growing, so we're gonna see. Good morning. I stayed up all night trying to finish this room, like all night. Today we're just gonna go ahead and switch out the closet, do some last minute touches, and yeah, let's get into it. My wedding dress. Okay, so this is his old closet. As you can see, I have stuff hanging out. I'm gonna try to make it a little bit organized better for his new room. As you can see, we have diapers, clothes, strollers, dirty clothes that I need to wash. Probably gonna do that today maybe. And his little shoes. So we're just gonna organize better, go ahead and transfer those. I'm also gonna go ahead and put a cubby in his new closet. That way his shoes can come out of the basket because it's very hard trying to find clothes for a baby. Alright you guys, I am officially done with my little boy's nursery and I am so obsessed with it. Like it looks so good, it's everything I wanted. This room just gives like that vintage cottage kid look and I'm obsessed. So I figured I'd just stop yapping and show you guys what it looks like in 3, 2, 1.